2 years in prison. That's what an undocumented worker was sentenced to just a few hours ago for leading Border Patrol and Nassau County deputies on a chase that led to the death of Deputy Eric Oliver. On that day in November, two families were changed forever. The wife of that illegal immigrant, Francisco Portillo Fuentes, apologized today to the family of Deputy Oliver.
I feel sorry. My heart goes out to them. I wouldn't. If my husband could turn back time, he wouldn't have done that.
Fuentes will be deported after serving his 2-year federal sentence. He was not sentenced for the deputy's death, but for re-entering the country twice before. Channel 4's Jim Pickett was inside the courtroom when the sentence was handed down, and he joins us now live at the federal courthouse where you spoke to both families, Jim.
You know, 2 years, Tarek, may not seem like a lot of time for the death of an officer, but both sides agree that this was an accident, but it was an accident that may not have happened had Portillo Fuentes not run when Border Patrol were chasing after him at the time. So he's going to be serving those 2 years. We talked to his wife here today, and she said that she's going back to El Salvador with him after he serves that time. As her husband, Francisco Portillo Fuentes, stood before the judge, hearing he will spend 2 years in prison, as seen in our courtroom sketches, his wife sat in court crying. After the sentencing, we caught up with Viviana Portillo and asked her about her future, what she plans for the family and her 5 kids. She says the only reason her husband came back to the U.S. was to be with her and the children, and he was trying to escape a life of hell in El Salvador. Are you going to go back to El Salvador in 2 years? And I just think that was touching for a lot of people. It's hard for you, but how are you feeling today? I mean, I know you were crying in court, but can you?
It's hard.
It's hard?
Because my kids ain't gonna see their dad anymore. And yes, I'm willing to go to Salvador with my husband so that we can be a family again, because I really don't want him coming back over here.
And do you think he would try to come back?
No.
No.
He won't.
And that's what the judge was worried about.
No, he's gave me my word that he's not coming back anymore. He'd rather have me go over there.
But that's why the judge gave the maximum sentence she could, 2 years, and he will be deported after that sentence. Portillo Fuentes has been deported twice before and came back each time. And then in November, after being stopped, the judge said he made the choice to run across a dangerous highway, putting people at risk. And the fatal outcome of the death of Deputy Eric Oliver, who ran after him and was struck by a car. Deputy Oliver's father spoke at the sentencing hearing and told us this afterwards.
It's an emotional thing for us. We're still 100 days into this, you know, so we're catching it from all sides. But we're very pleased with the outcome today, with the judge, with the system. That's the max that we could ask for, and we got what we asked for, which was the max. Now it's our next phase. We'll see what the state does.
And I was checking with the state attorney's office to see if they plan to do any local charges here, but we've not gotten any word back, and they weren't aware of any charges pending here at the federal courthouse. We're live downtown. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.